were asked to solve x squared minus 10x plus 1 equals 4. Plot and label the graphs and intersection points that are part of your solution process. Identify the final solutions clearly and round to 2 decimals. So what we are doing is we are solving the equation x squared minus 10x plus 1 equals 4. I'm going to use the intersect method on my calculator, entering the left side for y1 and 4 for y2. That would be the right hand side. So let's go to y equals, clear anything that is there. I don't need 0 for y2, I need 4. So I can go ahead and enter that. In y1, I'm going to enter x squared minus 10x plus 1. I need to be concerned with my window here, so let's take a look at what I have now with my graph. So I'm really not showing, I'm only showing one of my intersections here. Let's take a look at the window. The window is -4 to 4. What if I change that to a standard window of -10 to 10? Let's see what that looks like. So all I'm changing right now is x-min and x-max, and my y-min and y-max are -10 to 10. So I'm seeing there's my quadratic, this part here. This is the line y equals 4, but I'm still not seeing the intersection on the right hand side. So let's take that window and let's go out to a positive 15 for x max, and let's see what that looks like. Okay, that looks a lot better. Let's go ahead and go with that. So I'm going to take a minute and draw what I see on the calculator in my window space here. So what I've done here is to go ahead and draw in my space what I see here, as close as I can get to that, including my window. Notice that I'm not really concerned to show the bottom part of the parabola because that's not where the action is here. Our action is in the intersections. So this is the line y equals 4. This is our y2, this part right here. And then here is our quadratic part, our y1, or x squared minus 10x plus 1. And they're intersecting here and here. And we want to find out what the x values are of those intersections, because those x values will be our solution to the given equation. So what we're going to do is do our second calc process, number 5, and pay close attention to where the cursor is at 2.5, -17.5. So I really can't see it on the screen now because our y-min only goes down to -10. But if I use my intersection process, I can hit 3 times enter, and it's going to give me the left side intersection here, which is -0.29, 4 if I round to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to use my intersect process again, but notice that my cursor is stuck over here on the first intersection. So I'm going to need to move my cursor, see how it's moving there, and watch the y values. The y values are getting more and more negative, -17, -19. As soon as they start to come back around and become less negative, then I can go ahead and do my intersect process. So they're coming back now, -12, -10, -8. Okay, here comes the cursor. It's now closer to the second intersection than the first. I can hit enter 3 times to generate the intersection. And if I round that to 2 decimals, I get 10.29. And then 4, that's my ordered pair for the second intersection. Therefore, my solutions are x equals -0.29 and 10.29. Those are the 2 values for x that satisfy the original equation.